If you own a spa and you are still depending on walk-ins, word of mouth, or just hoping the phone rings, then this is the most important video you will watch this year. Because in the next 3 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how spas across India, now in Dubai and Singapore, are generating 200 to 500 appointments every single month on autopilot. No cold chasing, no cold calling, no chasing leads, no hiring extra staff just to follow up. Hi, my name is Abhinav and I am the founder of iZone Spa, India's first client acquisition partner for spa businesses. Here's the truth about the spa industry right now. Most spa owners are stuck doing the same four things: posting on Instagram, paying for spa marketplaces like JustDial, or buying is expensive external data, or hiring a generic marketing agency who don't know about the spa industry and getting almost nothing back for it. The problem is not your spa. Your therapists are great. Your MBS is beautiful. The problem is you don't have a system that consistently brings in clients, qualifies them, follow up with them, and books them automatically. And because of that gap, you are losing lakhs every single month. That's exactly why we built the iZone Spa automated appointment generating system, and it works in 4 steps. Step number 1, we run a paid targeted ads. We run a laser targeted meta ads to reach people in your city who are actively looking for massage spa or spa services. We also design professional ad videos creatives for your spa with your spa branding. So your ads actually look premium and stop to the scroll. And we don't just bring you leads. We bring you verified leads. We know exactly when they want to come in and what service they are looking for before they even walk through your door. And for Google Ads, we build a high converting sales landing page specifically designed for your spa page that optimized to turn visitor into booked appointments, giving you an exceptional conversion rate from every rupee you spend. Step number 2, instant AI chatbot response. The moment someone shows interest, our AI chatbot built specifically for spa businesses instantly respond on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and any communication channels. It qualifies the lead, answer the question, and book appointment automatically, even at 2 a.m. when you are asleep. Step number 3, 30-day automated follow-up sequence. Most leads don't book on the first massage. That's normal. But most spas give up after the one follow-up. We don't. Our system sends a personalized 30-day follow-up sequence, reminders, offers, testimonials, education content automatically. So no lead is even left. Step number 4, one dashboard, full visibility, everything. Every conversational, every lead, every appointment tracked in one clean dashboard. You always know exactly where your business stands. And this is not a theory. Let me show you what this system has done for real spas. 1 year ago, Therapy Spa was doing everything right. Great therapist, good service. But growth was stuck. Therapy Spa came to us with a single goal. They wanted a stable and predictable monthly revenue, not random booking. They were getting inquiries, but bookings were inconsistent. Some months were good, some months were silent. Ads alone not fixing the problem. That's why we step in, not to run ads blindly, but to build a proper lead to appointment system. So we implemented Google Ads and Meta Ads. But this is where things change. We build a follow-up and booking system. So every lead was tracked, every inquiry was followed properly. They started with a small budget. As result came in, we scaled month by month. Over 1 year, Therapy Spa went from unpredictable revenue to 10 to 15 lakhs per month consistently. This is not luck. It was a system. Then Santuri Spa also started with us, grew so consistently. They opened their second branch within a year in Hyderabad. And today, this system is working for spas not just in India, but in Dubai and Singapore also. We are working with a 50 plus massage spa right now. Real result and full money back guarantee if we don't deliver. If you have seen our older video, this system has evolved and optimized. We are now added the AI chatbot that handles all your communication channels like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. Instant responses 24/7. So you never miss a lead again. We are added the 30-day follow-up automation that keeps your spa top of mind for every single lead for entire month. And we are expanded internationally also. If your spa running in Dubai or Singapore, we now have a proven strategies for your market too. The results are better, the system is faster, and the process is even more hands-off for you. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link below and book a free strategy call with our team. On the call, we'll analyze your spa, understand your market, and show you exactly how many appointments we can generate for you with a custom plan built just for your spa business. There's no obligation, no hard sale, just clear roadmap to getting your spa to 10 lakhs a month and beyond. 50 plus spas have already made this decision. The question is, will you be the next? Click the link in bio, book your free call, and let's build your spa growth story together.